Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button.
Here we are at Old Key West, our second resort of this vacation. So we've just walked in, and over here there's a little closet beside the door, a little mirror and shelf, and we're gonna walk this way. To the left is the bedroom. We're in a one-bedroom villa this time. So if we go this way, this is the living room area. So this is a single pull-out couch that turns into a bed. And then one of these two turns into a double pull-out. So we have lots of space in here. There is a full table. There's an island in the middle. And over here is the kitchen. Dishwasher. Somebody's excited. He's happy to be here. There's a stove, microwave. If I recall from the last time we stayed here, there is a TV hidden in the island, which is super cool, and we'll turn it on for you in a minute, buddy, okay? There it is. All right, and then there's extra counter space over there. There is a beautiful deck here. Let's unlock the door. Oh, look at this. Beautiful space. It looks like we have a gorgeous view. Oh, there's the golf course. There's a lake. Oh, and right there is the bedroom. We can get out here from there. So let's walk back through. Right. I'm going to go into the bedroom and the bathroom area. So this way is the master bedroom. Over here we have a laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer. Just to the left here, there's a nice big soaking tub with a window into the bedroom. There's a nice sized closet over here. Lots of shelf for our toiletries, which will be nice since we're down to one bathroom this time. And then through another door, there's a toilet, a nice shower, and Braxton's showing you the sink, and he can reach. That's really nice.
I can reach it.
And then if we go back over here, we'll go into the master bedroom area. So in the master bedroom, there is night tables, obviously. A nice king-size bed. Hopefully it's comfortable. I'm tired. Nice bench there. Oh, we'll leave that one alone. There's a nice chair, little reading spot. And then over here, we can go out to the deck from here too. Ta-da! And there you have it. That's our one-bedroom villa at Old Key West.
Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and share the video with all your friends, as well as make sure to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our awesome videos. Follow along on Facebook at 32 Days of Disney Family, or on Twitter at 32 Days of Disney. And those of you looking for your own magical vacation, check out Canadian Mouse Trips, our partner travel agency. They can help everybody, not just Canadians, all our friends in the US and the UK too. Have a magical day.